How's it going today, everybody, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. Well, recently, my original M12 Impact Driver gave up, so it's time to find a replacement. So I picked up one of these. The new Milwaukee Subcompact Brushless Impact Driver. Part number 3450-20. In this video, I'm going to cover some of the basic specs on it, tell you why I bought this, and put it to use and give you my first impressions of it. Well, let's open it up and get going. Now, before I open this and get going, I just want to let everybody know that the tools you see in my video, I pay for with my own money. No one gives them to me, so you're going to get a good, honest opinion on these tools and if they're right for you. Now, inside the box, as you guessed it, is the tool only. And some instructions and, you know, the usual Milwaukee advertisement. Now, right out of the box, I already feel a weight difference. The old one feels substantially heavier. And you look at the profile, new one, definitely much shorter, which leans right into the use I bought it for. But first, let's go over its basic specs. It's got the 1/4-inch hex driver. Peak torque is only 1,100 inch-pounds, which if you do the math, divide it by 12, works out to just over 91.5 foot-pounds. So, you know, you're not going to be knocking lug nuts off your F350 with this thing. Speed-wise, you're looking at 0 to 3,000 RPM, and impacts per minute, you're looking at 0 to 4,100. The width of it comes in 2 inches, fairly narrow, and the length 4.3 inches. So ideal for the tight spaces. Now, as you may have noticed, judging by the specs, you're not getting the biggest, baddest, fastest, highest torque impact driver here. You're getting just a basic, everyday, general use tool here. So if you grab one of your high output 2.5 amp hour batteries, put that in there, you get a decent, powerful battery with no legs sticking out like some of the bigger M12 batteries, so you can get into the tighter spots. Now, the reason I bought this is just for a general, everyday, general service tool to have on my tool cart. For doing jobs like when you're doing oil changes, you're taking off the splash guards or the bolts going into the wheel wells to get access to other parts. Or maybe even just running out to the parking lot and changing the battery. Just grab this, you know, impact driver socket, and you're good to go. Or even when you're doing a tear down for a bigger job. Yeah, knocking off radiator supports, undoing hose clamps, things like that. Now, so far, my first impressions, mainly good. You know, I really like how it feels in the hand. It's nice and light. With it being as short as it is, the balance is very nice. As far as the downsides, you have one power setting. Basically, it's all you got, and that's it. There's no low, medium, high, different power settings. But in general, to me, that's not even really a downside, because most of my tools with the adjustable power, I just put it on full power, and once you get to know the tool, you know what kind of torque you're putting into it. But one thing I am going to do right off the bat, I'm going to remove the tool clip, 99 times out of 100, I don't use it. And if you're going into tight dash work, it's just, might just get in the way. So I'll basically just need a regular screwdriver, take that off, and get it out of your way. So for the next while, I'm going to run this at work for the next month or so, put it through its paces, and I'll let you know what I think about it. I'll do my daily service work like I had planned on doing it. And you know what? I'm even going to throw it at some, bigger things, bigger bolts that, I may not think it'll work, but we'll find out. Well, if you've been debating whether or not to buy the new Milwaukee M12 Subcompact Brushless 1/4-inch Hex Impact Driver, I hope this video helped you make your decision whether to buy it or not to. I'd like to know, other people who have bought this, what do you think? Leave a comment in the comment section. Well, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button and notification bell in the bottom right hand corner. That way you get notified when we get new videos coming up. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night and keep wrenching.